to our esteemed guests, and to the people of La Paz, good evening. Tonight is a celebration of beauty, talent, and empowerment. A night made extraordinary by your presence and unwavering support. I want to start by thanking everyone for supporting this amazing night. Your enthusiasm and encouragement are invaluable to us, making events such as this possible. Before we move forward, I would like to take a moment to introduce our amazing team. I am Ralph Mati Dudulaw, the videographer. Jai Morcillo, the photographer. January Saga, the creative director. Hiro Makinano, the makeup artist. And over there is Erwin Cardoza, the designer. On behalf of our team, I would like to thank Sammy Aguilar, our dedicated pageant coordinator.
Ano ba si mama niya?
Kukay Castaneda, our visionary pageant director. Colette Castaneda, our passion and tourism designate. Ernest Jordan, the ever-supportive Mayora Susan Jordan. And most especially, the remarkable Mayor Venus P. Jordan, whose leadership and passion for La Paz inspired us all. This event would not have been possible without their hard work, dedication, and passion. Let us all give them a big round of applause for their outstanding effort in making this event truly unforgettable. Thank you very much for having us here tonight and for trusting our vision. Once again, thank you all for being part of this remarkable night. Let us continue to celebrate and enjoy the rest of the evening together. Thank you.